I got a 2007 to 2013. This is Acura. I'm gonna program the steering wheel control right here. I'm gonna try to align this right there. So basically, in order to get to that, you wanna go to setting. And you wanna go to factory setting. You press 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, let me take this thing out. Close the door. So press 1, 2, 3, press OK. And then now I'm gonna go to party control learning. Click on party control learning. I'm gonna press mode right there. And then I'm gonna come over here and press mode right there. It should turn on yellow. So now I'm gonna do volume up. So I'm gonna press volume up and volume up right there. And you can see the yellow coming on. Volume down. Press down right there. Press and hold, okay? Now I want to go channel up and down. So I'm going to band up and down. Where is band up and down? Okay, frequency up. I'm going to press up positive right here. And then frequency negative, meaning it's going down. Coming over here. And then, did I got mode? Okay, now I got right here for pick up the phone right there. Pick up. So I'm gonna look for oh, where is that at? This one don't have it. That's weird. Oh, oh, I gotta pull it up right here, guys. I forgot it. You gotta pull it up right there to be able to see that. So now where is that hang up and pick up? Right there. Oh, right there. Hang up, mute. Next hang up, previous, answer. Press answer right here. And then come up here and I press answer. And hold it. Some of this might not have the same feature, guys. So this might not work at that features. And then let me try some more. Let me click on a hang up right here. I'm click on hang up. Nope, it won't take the programming. So some of these things it's not gonna be all compatible. So you got volume up, volume down, channel up and down, and mode. None of this will work. The back one, it might work. Let me try back up, back right there. Back. If it doesn't say yellow, it won't work. So it's not gonna work, okay? So none of these gonna work. You got our volume up and down, channel up, and mode. That's it. Press save when you're done. And then now you're gonna go backward. Right there, I got the backup camera done already. I'm gonna turn the key on and put on reverse. See if I got the camera working. It's kind of upside down, but we're gonna fix the back. Now when you play the music, you want to press aux right there. Uh-oh, what happened to the aux? It works earlier, guys. I don't know why it don't work. Uh-oh.